We would like to invite our guest of honor, Honorable Minister Shri Shripad Vai Nayak ji on the dais to kindly share his words of wisdom and bless us.
Namaskar, the dignitaries on dais for today's function. Dr. Mullim Nagar Joshi ji, former Minister Government of India, Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, just now he was left for next program. Dr. Mahesh Chandra Sharma ji, Dr. Balashankar ji, Sri Hemant Goswami ji, member of press and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. I have great pleasure in being present on the occasion of 56th birth anniversary of Dr. Mangalam Swaminathan and present the 10 National Excellence Award in various fields. This is an emotional moment for me. I know Dr. Balashankar ji and Dr. Mangala ji for a long time. I am still not able to believe that Dr. Mangala ji is not around with us today. It was a sad quirk of destiny that has taken her away from amongst us. She was a very careful, active and committed lady. She had a lot of interest in social work and other creative activities. I have known her as a journalist when she was in UNI. After she joined IGNCA for a long gap of time, I have not met her. I understand that during this period, she expanded her activities to a number of new areas like art and culture, which is the fourth of IGNCA. She had, as many told me, had become the face and brand ambassador of IGNCA. She also had a great interest in science, environment, and child education. I understand that she was working on two projects, a detailed biography of Dr. Homi Bhabha, the founder of the Indian Nuclear Mission, and another book for children, The Cradle Tales of South Indian, on the lines of Sister Nivedita's very famous title for children, Cradle Tales of Hinduism. It is appropriate that in Mangala's memory, that foundation has taken up the task of completing and fulfilling the dreams Mangala's cherished. I am very delighted on this occasion to give away the national awards which are essentially dedicated to the fields and areas of Mangala's interest. I am sure this award in a few years will achieve a level of prestige, reputation and popularity that practitioners in each of these areas will look forward for it every year. Dr. Mangala was a brilliant and passionate journalist, a committed science reporter, and her dedication to the national cause was total. I am happy that a selection of the awardees in the respective areas have made a mark. Each of the awardees has, with their excellence work, made a name for themselves. I admire the experts committee which had made this choice. I appreciate the effort of the foundation to find out the people who are doing exceptional and exemplary work in the field of journalism, science, reporting, art and culture, and exposing the malpractices in the medical field. I appreciate Dr. Mangalam Swaminathan Foundation for making selection which is purely merit-oriented. This will definitely help in giving a new impetus to encourage the people, particularly youngsters, to work for excellence. I extend by all hearted support and best wishes for this effort. With these words, I thank the organizer. Thank you very much. Jai.
ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ ഉടൻ തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകളുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ലഭിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും.